Hello everyone. Today we're checking out Varo Bank's high yield savings accounts. They claim you can earn up to 5% APY. Is it actually worth it? Let's find out. Varo Bank is an online bank that offers a free checking account and a high yield savings account with up to 5% APY on balances up to $5,000. Any amount above $5,000 earns 2.5% APY, which is still pretty good. The account has no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, and it's FDIC insured up to $250,000. Here's the catch. To earn that 5% rate, you need to receive at least $1,000 in direct deposits each month, like your paycheck or government benefits. You also need to keep a positive balance in both your checking and savings accounts at the end of the month. If you meet these requirements in 1 month, you'll earn 5% APY the following month. If you don't meet the requirements, you still earn 2.5% on your entire balance, which is 6 times the national average. 5% APY is one of the highest rates you can get right now. It helps your savings grow much faster than traditional banks. The account has no monthly fees and no minimum balance requirements. You can open it with $0. Varo offers automatic savings like Save Your Pay, which transfers a percentage of your paycheck to savings automatically, and Save Your Change, which rounds up purchases to the nearest dollar and saves the difference. You also get access to over 40,000 free ATMs nationwide through the Allpoint network. Plus, if you set up direct deposit, you can get paid up to 2 days early. The 5% rate only applies to the first $5,000. Anything above that earns 2.5%. You need to meet the direct deposit requirement every single month to keep that 5% earning for you. If you miss a month, you drop back to 2.5%. Varo is online only, so there are no physical branches. If you prefer in-person banking, this won't work for you. Cash deposits are tricky. You can only add cash through green dot retailers like CVS or Walgreens, and they charge up to $5.95 per transaction. Varo is perfect if you get regular direct deposits or at least $1,000 per month and you're saving $5,000 or less. So, if you meet the direct deposit requirements, absolutely yes, this is worth it. 5% APY is hard to beat, and the no fee structure is excellent. Just remember the $5,000 cap and be ready to bank online only. That's it for today. Let me know if you use Varo. Thanks for watching.